Hey guys, look what I got. It's the Dell 34-inch ultra-wide 1440p monitor. It's a 3440 by 1400 resolution at 60Hz refresh rate, a 21 by 9 ultra-wide aspect ratio with 1900R curvature. And what's new in this model is the USB-C support. So let's start unboxing it. I've seen unboxing videos of the previous model, but they don't follow the proper instructions, which may damage the monitor. As you can see on the flap, you want to lay down the box on its back like so. Don't have it vertically, otherwise things can spill out. Here are all the cables they include. An HDMI cable, a USB-A to USB-B for connecting to the built-in KVM switch, a DisplayPort cable. You want to use this as your primary connection if your computer supports it. A standard power cable with no external power brick, and finally a USB-C cable. Here's the quick start guide that tells you exactly how to assemble the monitor. So here's the base, a plastic and strong metal construction. The adjustable stand. It should click easily to the monitor. Lay down the base and put the stand on the base like so. Flip the whole thing while holding the base and tighten the screw on the bottom clockwise. Now, take the top part of the packaging off to reveal the monitor itself. Let's look at all the available ports from right to left. First, you have the two USB 3.0 out. The far right one has a power delivery, so you can charge up your device, good for mobile phone or external hard drive. Left of them are the two USB 3.0 in. Dell only includes one cable, so you might want to get another one off of Amazon. Then you have the 3.5mm audio out. The monitor has a built-in 9-watt speakers. It sounds okay. If you want a better speaker, you can connect them here and it should output the audio from the source that the monitor is displaying. Next to it, you have the USB Type-C with 90-watt power delivery, the main display port, and finally two HDMI port. But apparently only the second port supports 60 Hz. Port 1 only supports 30 Hz. Finally, let's attach the stand to the monitor itself by matching the two top notch on the stand with the two grooves in the back of the monitor. Then drop the stand slowly until you hear a click. You don't have to press the release button. You can now safely pick up the monitor by grabbing the stand. It looks really nice, you guys, even from the back. And here's my final setup. As with many Dell monitors, they have a hole in the middle of the stand to let the cable pass through. It's a little low and you can see all the cables, but there's a reason why. This monitor is one of the few that can be lowered very close to the desk. The whole height is only 42 cm or 16.5 inches when lowered completely. The full width is 81 cm or 32 inches. The full height is 54 cm or 21 inches when the monitor is fully extended. And finally, the depth is 22 centimeter or 9 inches. So, why do I care about the dimension so much? One of the main reasons I chose this monitor is because of how low it can go. My desk also opens up to reveal a queen-size bed, and I do not need to clear up the desk, so the whole thing shifts down, but there's a maximum height clearance. You see how close it gets, and my desktop tower was specially chosen for this reason as well. Well, that's the Dell U3419W. If you like what you see, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions or would like to see more, let me know on the comment section down below. On my next video, I will go through the settings, Display Manager software, and show you how the built-in KVM switch works. Thank you for watching.